Important festival of Orissa, Odisha. The festival of Odisha is also referred to as Odia festival, Odia Parva, Odia festival or Odissean festival. Odisha is known for all colorful festivals. The festivals are numerous spread over all the 12 months of a year. The village life centers around agriculture, therefore there is an intimate relationship of festival with the numerous agriculture operations and that take place. Odissean festivals are also observed as a part of Hindu festival faith. Dates or Odissean festival are determined by the traditional Hindu calendar. The specialties of most of the Odissean festival are that on these occasions much merry making is done, new clothes are worn and special dishes are prepared at home. The Odissean cuisine is at its taste in these functions. Delicious dishes prepared include small cakes known as pita and also sweets made from milk. Festival carry forward people, tradition and culture. A brief list of major festivals of Odisha during is given below. Brief summary of the important festival of Odisha is recounted below. Raja Parva. This festival is the most important in coastal Odisha and unique in its observed in honor of the Mother Earth. It is observed for 3 days. All agricultural operations remain suspended during these days. And during Raja festival, food specialties are prepared in every home. The most important is poda cake, made out of rice, coconut, molasses, and spices. Children take pitha, rice cakes, and fruits during this period. They wear new clothes and make a lot of merry making in sings. Mahavisuba Sankranti. This is the beginning of New Year in Odisha. This festival is also called Pana Sankranti. On this day, in every Oriya home, Pana or household sweet drink is given to the new neighbors and visitors. Families make special prayers and food offering in the temples. On this day, also ends of fire walking functions called Jammu Yatra, where patrons walk on live charcoal to the accompaniment of gongs and drums. Rath Yatra or Car Festival. This is the greatest of all festivals in Odisha and is held at Puri. It begins from the second day of the bright half of Asadha month, which falls in June or July every year. It is a scared journey of image Lord Jagannath with brother Balabhadra and sister Subhadra in wooden chariots journey from main Jagannath temple through the streets to another shrine called Gandhichachar, where the deities stay for 9 days. On the last day, the return journey is made from Gandhichachar to main Jagannath temple. This is called Bahuda Yatra. Thousands of devotees from all over India throng on Rath Yatra day at Puri to pull the sacred chariots. Ayodhya Tritiya. This is the oldest agricultural festival in the state. On this day, farmer goes to this field with turmeric powder, sandal paste, paddy seeds mingled with vermilion and rice cakes. He takes along with him his plugs in the field. He prays and offers bhagya to goddess Lakshmi and sows fistful of paddy seeds in the field after plugging it. Asko Ashtami. This is celebrated in grand from the Lingaraj temple at Bhubaneswar. This is a chariot festival like the car festival of Puri. The footage of Lord Lingaraj Shiva is taken out in wooden chariot from the main temple to Rameswar temple. The chariot return after a 4 days stay with Mausi Ma. Durga Puja. It is celebrated with much color and festival in the state. Durga Puja is symbolized the commemoration of victory of good over evil. Mother drugs on this day killed the demon Mahishura and brought about peace in the land. Puja mandaps with colored clay image of goddess Durga are the set up in the large number crowds through puja mandaps to enjoy the festival. Goddess Durga is worshipped from the 7 to 9 day. On the 10th day, which is called Vijayadashmi, a procession is carried out toward a river of immersion of the image. Makra and Makar Sankranti is celebrated with much gusto when the sun enters the orbit of Capricorn. By this time, harvest of new paddy, sugarcane crops, etc. are over on the day of the Sankranti. Food offerings are made to God. Sun God is worshipped with great fervor and enthusiasm by one and all. Festival is also called Makar Mela. Mahasivaratri. On this day, devotees remain on fast and perform puja in the Shiva temple. The main festival is celebrated at the Lingaraj temple in Bhubaneswar, where a sacred lamp burns on the temple top. Dola. It is very popular and colorful festival in the state. Radha and Krishna are the main deities who bear worshipped in the Parva. People in the rural area carry the gaily decorated Biman and the idols of the village street singing devotional song. The main attraction of Dola Yatra is holy when people throw color, powders and waters on each other. Chaiti Parva. It is the main festival of fishermen community. They dance with a wooden horse in village. This is called Goda horse dance. Naukhel. This is a major social festival of Western Odisha. Generally, it takes place in August-September on an auspicious day, fixed day of the astrologer. All through the festival is meant for getting new rice of the year. It is observed as a day of general festivity. New rice is cooked with milk and sugar and distributed. People greet their friends and relatives. Mega Saptami. On this day, thousands of pilgrims take holy dip in the sea near Chandrabhagya beach. They welcome the rising sun with prayers. And Konark is the place of main festival according to Punyas. Samba worshipped sun god on this day and was cured from leprosy diseases. Sitala Sashti. This is the celebration of marriage ceremony of Lord Shiva with goddess Parvati and is mostly observed in western Odisha, particularly at Sambalpur in June. The wedding of the divine couple is observed with much pomp and ceremony. Lakhs of people witness it when the idols are taken out in procession on a medha. Dhanu Yatra. This is colorful festival of western Odisha, particularly at Bargara town. Dhanu Yatra relates to the episodes of visit of God Krishna to Mathura where King Kansa, the Yarant, ruled over his subjects. The ceremony is colorfully observed at Bargara, where thousands of people assembled daily to witness the ceremony. The town of Bargara becomes Mathura. Different acts of the Puranic descriptions are performed and spectators witness it with great joy. Thakurani Puja. Thakurani is the presiding deity of Berampur in South Odisha. Her blessings are sought by everybody. The Thakurani Yatra is observed with much pomp and ceremony when the deity is brought outside. Chow Festival. This is the famous war dance. Other subjects have also come into this dance.